In this blog, we will see how to load images in your Flutter app. So generally, we load images from local databases or local folders or else from an URL. So in Flutter, how we do this, how we handle these things, we will see here. So here in PubSpec, we are having assets here. At first it will be comment like here you can see it is commented this line. So we have removed the comment and here we have added an image. So this image we have considered from a folder. In our project we have created a folder called images, and inside that we have added an image, and this image we have provided in this particular file so that it will be considered into our Flutter project. So whenever you are trying to add any assets into your Flutter project, assets in the sense images here, so not only images, it might be depending on GIF files and whatnot, any fonts, all these kinds of things come under assets. So whenever you are trying to use them in your project, you need to provide them in this particular folder and in this particular hierarchy so that it will be useful in your coding. If you have not provided the files in that particular hierarchy in this particular file, you may not able to access them in your code. Okay, so here let us see what we are doing in this particular block. So here I am trying to load image in three different ways. So in the first way, as I have shown you, I am loading a local image. So here I am loading the image from the images folder and I am giving it a particular width and height. So it will be loaded from the local folder in this particular dimensions. It's very clear. So I am giving some space, padding top of 30, so that we have some space from one image to another. And here I am considering an image from a URL. Don't worry, we will see the output what it is happening here. Here you can see we have loaded the first image here using the local images folder, and the second one we are loading image from URL. So this particular image we got from this URL, and here also you can see I have provided the width and height as 300 and 300. And the last one is loading image with a placeholder. So here you can see we are having a particular placeholder here. So let us try to make it run for you. Okay, so here here you can see our image has loaded with a particular placeholder. Okay, so these are the ways of loading images in the Flutter project. And also here you can alter the dimensions. Here I have provided 300, so you can make it 200 and 250, and you can see it got reduced. It's very fast actually in Flutter. Whenever you are dealing with applications, it's very faster. It takes very less time to load actually. I am giving here 100, you can see it. It really takes a very less time in loading the things. So this is it for this tutorial, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And more interesting tutorials on Flutter are coming up in this channel, so stay subscribed to our channel for getting them as soon as they get released.